Hi everyone, it's Tina with TSRcreations. So I have an 11 by 14 inch canvas today. I'm going to be doing the technique that I did previous video. My recipe will be down below, but it's just 2 parts floetrol to paint and water to thin. That kind of like a Dutch pour consistency, but not as thin as the pearl cell pour, and no satin enamel. To get the cool effects, I swipe in the cell activator of 4 parts American floetrol to 1 part paint, or 3 parts Australian floetrol to 1 part paint. I am going to be using the Australian because I have it. So yeah. Alright, so some of the colors I'm going to be using are mostly custom mixed because a lot of them have been scraped off my table from practice. So here I have a dark, like blue-gray as my one base. I have some light blue, and then I have a light, whenever you're in Home Depot or Lowe's, check their clearance rack because they always have, in the paint section, they always have mist tints, color samples, or big containers. I always find them, and this was like, I don't know, $1.99, maybe not even. But anyway, this is okay, so my colors for today, I have some pink quartz by Modern Masters. I have some beautiful phthalo turquoise by Golden. I have some some Gold Rush by Modern Masters. I have some rose by Modern Masters. This is a mixture of Dragonfire by Color Shift by Folk Art and a little phthalo turquoise. And then this is teal by Golden. Okay, so I'm going to use a little bit. This is going to be a little bit minimalistic. I'm going to put a little bit of color in, but not as much. See how it goes. Okay, here we go.
It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad, 'cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this weightless, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on. Yeah, I'm moving on. It's like they're all watching, we're on our way to the ground, and I don't love you the same way. We're still moving, but without a sound. God knows it's a long way down. It's a different kind of lonely, it's a different kind of sad, 'cause we got no more if only, and we stopped feeling bad. It's a different kind of sadness, it's a different kind of fear. Now we're stuck in this weightless, and the end is getting near. So I'm moving on. Then you've been moving on, and I've been moving on, and you've been moving on. Yeah, we're